Hello students, welcome back to our channel Parnika's Edulog. In this video, I am going to show how to connect a simple electric circuit with a switch. And also, I will give complete explanation about the connections. Okay, let's start. First, let's make a switch. For this, we require 2 drawing pins, a safety pin, 2 wires, and a small sheet of thermocol or wooden board or cardboard. Okay, like this we have to connect it. Students, try to make this without any loose connections so that bulb will go without any blinking. Now switch is ready. Let's understand about this circuit, about their connections. Students, here I took 2 electric cells and connected with a plaster in series connection. Let's see what is series connection. Students, every electric cell contains positive terminal and negative terminal, right? So, positive terminal of one electric cell is connected to the negative terminal of another electric cell, then that connection is said to be series connection. So here these 2 electric cells are connected in a series connection, right? Now we are connecting positive terminal of this battery to the one terminal of bulb through electric wire, and another terminal of this bulb is connected to the one of the terminal of this switch. This is open switch because the safety pin was not in touch with the other drawing pin. Now the other terminal of switch is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. Now an electric circuit with a switch is ready, but it is open circuit because the switch is in open, right? Let's see whether the bulb will glow or not. Okay? Yes, the bulb is glowing. If bulb is not glowing, there may be a few reasons. You need to check it out. What are those? Maybe the electric cells may be used up, or maybe the electric bulb may be fused, or maybe a loose connections also. So we need to check all these conditions if the bulb is not glowing. Okay? This is an open circuit, right? That is why the bulb is not glowing here. If you close this switch like this, then the bulb starts glowing, right? This is closed circuit. The switch is on. Now the switch is off. Now the switch is on. Okay? I hope you understand this. Thank you.